Welcome, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mackenzie Pala, and I'm here to give you the daily Cipher Morse code for Hamster Kombat for this evening, the 18th of June 2024. So we start by tapping 3 times here where it says earn per tap, and then you will see the screen open, and then you'll be able to enter the word DAPP using Morse code. So you have to enter the letters one at a time, one at a go. Okay, for the letter D, it's dash, no, it's a dash, and it's dot dot. That's the D. And for the A, it's a dot and a dash. And for the P, it's a dot and a dash, dash. No, that's a mistake. We have to start again. So back to the D. That's the D. And then the A. That's the A. And the P. That's the A. And the P. That's the P. And the last P. Dot, dash, dash. Oh, back to square one. Yay. And the A. And the P. And the last P. There you go. You see, there. Now you take the prize. So, to get this right, guys, what you have to do is enter the letters one at a time using the Morse code that has been provided. The D is 1 dash and 2 dots, and the A is 1 dot and 1 dash. The first P is 1 dot, 2 dashes, and 1 dot, and the second P is 1 dot, 2 dashes, and 1 dot. So, as you know, for